Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials so you can code immediately. Install Vscode and the Dart SDK, then make sure Dart is on your path. This lets commands run from the terminal. Once done, install the Dart and Flutter if needed extensions to enable analysis, completions, and the debugger. Next, create a workspace folder and run Dart create to scaffold a project. This gives you a runnable main, pubspec, and standard layout so you can iterate quickly. Now you configure tooling for efficient development. Open Settings, JSON and set Dart, SDK path or let the extension discover it. Enable the analysis server so you get fast errors and suggestions. Then create launch. JSON entries for Dart or Flutter debugging. Set breakpoints and use step into /over to inspect behavior. While coding, accept code actions and refactorings to keep code clean and use snippets for common patterns. Make sure to run pubget and run the app from the integrated terminal to test changes. Finish by validating and running your app so it's stable. Run Dart analyze to catch issues and Dart format to keep style consistent. Then run Dart test or start the app from the integrated terminal to verify behavior. If things go wrong, check the output panel and select Dart or the analyzer to read errors. Reload the Vscode window or restart the analysis server to clear state. If dependencies fail, run pubget and inspect pubspec. Resolving that usually restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.